Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your OpenAI account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your OpenAI account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Google, type in OpenAI login and make a search. Click on the first link shown in the screen. To log in, enter your email address and click on Continue button. Enter your password associated with your OpenAI account and tap on Continue. You are now logged into your OpenAI account. This is how you can log into your OpenAI account quickly and easily in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.